Hi! Today I'm going to be doing an easy braid tutorial. So we're going to draw two vertical lines that are slightly going towards each other. Now we're going to draw a zigzag line in between the two lines. We are going to connect the lines from the zigzag to the lines on the side. Now we're going to draw the hair tie. We are now going to round off the sections of the braid. Ta-da! I hope you're able to draw a really great braid. Thanks for watching!